Hide friends on Facebook. In this video, I will show you step by step on how to hide friends on Facebook. After you open your Facebook, tap on this menu at the top right side. So scroll all the way to down and tap on this section where it says settings and privacy, and tap on this settings again. Under the settings and privacy, tap on this, scroll to down and tap on this section which says how people can find and contact you. This one. Under this visibility and audience, this one, tap on it. So under this section, as you can see now, to hide your friends on Facebook, all you have to do now, tap on this section which says who can see your friends list. So tap on this section before it. So as you can see now, by default your Facebook friends list will be public. As you can see now, by default you can find your friends list like this in this section. So for me, I already hide my Facebook friends list, that's why it just make it to only me. So to hide your friends list, tap on this only me. So by tapping on this only me now, no one can be able now to see your friends on Facebook. It is only you can be able to see your friends list. That's it guys on how to hide your friends on Facebook. If this video helps you out, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.